Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Sometimes you just need answers, and this is where Pregmate comes in. This packing contains 50 individual pregnancy test strips. So the instructions are super simple and easy to read. You just need a container to catch your urine in, and once you have it, each little packet opens up and you can pull it out according to the tab because you don't want to touch the white end, you just want to hold the branded end. So after holding it in for a few seconds, then comes the wait. So I just rested it there and I waited for the designated amount of time until the results came through. So as always, this is probably the longest part for any woman, whether you are wanting it to be positive or negative. I love that it is easy to read. After the designated time, there is a solid line with no question that it is negative. I appreciate being so compact that I can just slip it back in the original pack and go ahead and throw it in the trash. I find it super reassuring, but that's just my point of view.